Hey guys, it's Bob Murray here today. Today I got a bike trick for you guys. If you guys come in closer, I'll show you all my things I want to show you. So here I'm running a stock compression cap. For the grips, I'm running the ODI Rufane lock-on grips with the flanges. I plan on cutting out the flanges, but you know, I don't have the time to. The seat I'm running is a unknown company. My friend gave this to me, but the seat post right here, it's a pivotal seat. It was from Diamondback. I got it at Bike World in Las Vegas. The tires I'm running are BSD Donut Squeaks. Alright. The back rim I'm running is called the Wayneman the safety line black rim with black spokes, and it has a racing hub. If you guys do have any spare hub guards for the non-drive side, please let me know and I'll give you my address so you can send it to me. Pedals I'm running right here are stock pedals. I got some stickers on put for my crew that I got from my BMX. I got the Apple logo, which is called the Apple BMX crew. It's kind of a weird name, but you know. And over here I'm running some Hoonigan stickers. Safety helmet I'm wearing is a Prime V8 Prime 8 V2s with the black the red straps. Got the from Adam LZ BMX, shout out to him for making me want to do this. I got the Taylor Swift sticker. I do have the GIF because I do love GIF a lot. Got the logo on the back too. Now the review on this, it's alright. I mean, like, I had to take out the front head spacers with the foam paddings because it kind of got in my way and it was kind of tight on my head. So padding's very thin. What I don't like about it is the air holes, because it's kind of ghetto and it looks kind of like a fish. But got that froth sticker that I made at home, the Colt sticker and Dance Comp. That's a real sticker. These are printed out. Got the LZ BMX logo. So yeah, that's pretty much. Oh yeah, one more thing. The front rim right here, it is a stock rim too, but it has a profile hub in the front. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, just post in the comments down below. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.